Here's a question on graphing a sine curve. It could easily be cosine. And it's a pretty standard question, and we're asked to indicate the amplitude, period, and displacement. And what we should do, remember, is the basic shape that the equation we're going to deal with is y equals a sine of bx plus c, or of course it would be cosine of bx plus c as well. And we're going to find what a, b, and c are to help us find the amplitude, period, and displacement. And from the graph we can see that a is equal to negative 3, b, which is in front of the x term, is 4 pi, and c is going to be negative pi over 2. Now at the amplitude, here you go, is the absolute value of a, which is the absolute value of negative 3, which equals 3. Period is given by 2 pi over b, and from above b is 4 pi, so we substitute in for b. We get this. Pi is cancelled, 2 over 4 is simply 1/2. And the displacement, which is really our starting point, is simply negative c over b. And c is a negative pi over 2, and b is 4 pi. We can cancel here pi's, but basically we got pi over 2 times 1 over 4 pi. Pi's cancel, we get 1 over 8. So that's our displacement. That really is where the graph begins. So essentially we draw a sketch, very crude, mind you, and we know the graph starts at 1 over 8. It goes through this. Now, since it's a sine curve, it cuts through the x-axis at that point, and it's negative fashion, so it goes down. So graph would go this way, up, and down. And that's one complete period. The highest point here would be 3. The lowest point would be negative 3. We need to find the end point right here. And all we need to do really is simply to add the period and displacement. So it's simply 1/2 plus 1 over 8, which is 4 over 8 plus 1 over 8, which is 5 over 8. This point right here is going to be 5 over 8. And we have drawn the graph of y equals negative 3 sine 4 pi x minus pi over 2. And we've indicated the amplitude, period, and displacement.